did you all get for Christmas? I thought I'd just show you a couple of little bits which I got. I might have something else coming actually, so I might add to this a little bit later. But yeah, my daughter got me this set of overalls, so look lovely, don't they? Just plain black. I think she was going to get them embroidered, but she kind of run out of time, so don't know, get Mini Enthusiast put on the pocket or something like that. But they're pretty cool. Needed a set of overalls. And the second gift actually was from my big sister. And it was one of those gifts you don't even know you need, so I had no idea there was a need for this, but now she's got it actually. It makes perfect sense and it's really handy. So I'll explain more. Let me show you. What she got me was a CB radio, and I thought, well, okay, I've probably grown out of that sort of thing, but then she explained why, and now it's dawned on me. So the problem is I'm out in the garage here. There is no internet out here as yet. I need to sort that out. And the garage is detached, so let me show you. There's the house over there. And the problem is, when I want to get a drink, I've got to go all the way back over there to get it. So I think we found a cure. So let's see if we can give it a go. Let's surprise the missus. See her reaction. Workshop to kitchen over.
Kitchen to workshop.
It's working. Could I have one large la-di-da latte, please?
You what?
Right, let's see what happens.
Kitchen, workshop to kitchen over.
Kitchen to workshop.
And one large la-di-da latte, please.
You what? Who does he think this is? It's not Total Car Reviews. One la-di-da latte.
Cheers.